Hello, Paul Hamilton here from iPad Monthly. Edition 11 is just about to come out. Super excited to bring you these ideas emailed straight to your inbox for those subscribers on the 1st of April. The first activity we look at is just exploring elements of visual imagery and using photography to look at different aspects of photography, looking at how we can perceive subjects to be happy or sad and how we go about it. So once again, all the curriculum links are right there. A fantastic video tutorial looking at visual literacy, looking at how we can portray it. You can kind of see without me playing the video there, you can see the characters that are in different positions and how I've used lighting. Really worthwhile students actually looking at these different visual literacy elements. Second activity, we're looking at using the fantastic app Assembly to create little game sprites, little game characters, because we're going to make a Flappy Bird game in the next lesson. And so this lesson looks at how we can use the Assembly app to use basic shapes, I guess, to integrate and look at creating a little bird character. And it's a fantastic app. I guess the curriculum links are across the curriculum. We can look at art outcomes. We can look at graphic design. We can look at a whole range of different elements, but a really, really easy way of designing these visual literacies. Then we look at actually creating the Flappy Bird game. So we actually look at an app called Sketch Nation. And we actually look at designing that and designing a game and how we can actually integrate that character into our Flappy Bird game, which is fantastic. After that, we jump into using one of our favorite all-time apps, which is Book Creator. And we actually look at creating a basic algorithm, looking at creating steps for a person to get to the tuck shop. There it is there. And using Book Creator and looking at multimedia, different elements and different things to actually create it. And once again, fantastic video tutorial looking at how we actually go about that. So the video tutorial come with each of the lessons, which is one of the, I guess, the strongest elements of iPad Monthly. And then we jump into looking at spreadsheets. So we look at the Numbers app, one of Apple's apps, looking at how we can actually create basic formulas and how we can get kids to actually create these formulas to let technology do the work for us. So actually creating, I guess, a spreadsheet and a formula that works out things like averages, looking at how we can look at creating sums and additions and so forth. Fantastic, easy to follow video tutorial looking at that. And then finally, for our very, very little learners, we look at introducing an app, say like Drawing Pad, and look at how we can actually use photography with illustrations and looking at layers, all the curriculum links there. Getting our kids to really explore different apps, to get confident, looking at the pedagogy behind actually creating this task. And so Edition 11 is really about easy to follow tutorials, activities that you can jump right into if you're a primary school teacher, and all of the curriculum outcomes, but also the video tutorials, easy to follow. It will be out on the 1st of April, which is actually tomorrow when I'm making this recording. Hope you find it useful. Edition 11 iPad Monthly preview coming to your inboxes tomorrow.